Well, it's been a very exciting time in the construction industry, and lots of companies have been going through some tremendous growth. They haven't been prepared for the growth, so we work together with them to try to point out the areas they need to concentrate on, especially in the tax area. The construction tax rules are so specific, but also give a lot of leeway for some very good planning opportunities that you want to make sure these companies don't have a surprise, a big negative surprise coming up, which causes them to report way too much taxable income and pay way too much in taxes. With our expertise and our knowledge of the construction tax laws, we're able to point this out to our clients well ahead of time, help them to plan for it, and really preserve their cash flow, which during times of growth really helps them to get to the next level, whether it's based on getting additional bank financing, getting additional bonding capacity, or just looking into additional growth areas. It's really been a really good byproduct of our tax planning for our clients. There are certain levels of income and revenue, and depending when they're getting to that income level or revenue level is when they're going to have to decide what has to happen. They may have to switch accounting tax methods. They may have to go to a method that really is going to accelerate their income. So we try to look at those roadblocks, point them out well ahead of time to the client. And there are a lot of other strategies that they can employ when they do have to switch an accounting method to maybe take advantage of a different method they hadn't been using before, which will help to balance out what the tax burden could be. A $10 million revenue trigger is really a very big trigger, and that's an average over 3 years. So planning for that, seeing when that's going to happen, and then knowing what other methods you could use really significantly benefits. We usually find that we're able to utilize the other methods to greatly offset the issues from not being able to keep the method they were on when they were doing $10 million or less. There's a lot of tax credits that are out there that most people in construction don't know that they really can take advantage of, things such as research and development credits, and there are credits at the state levels as well. So working together in a growth mode, when they're adding employees, when they're increasing expenditures, probably doing more of this research and development, really becomes added found money to them. Our construction practice has grown as well because of the growth in the industry, and we've taken on a number of new clients that have had these issues, and we work together with them to deal with these issues, to plan correctly, and you'd really be surprised how they thought they had a very large tax obligation out there that we're really able to significantly reduce. We really enjoy working together with these construction companies in order to bring value and to also help them to continue their growth.